Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices or the Bluetooth. At the device list, click pair new device at the top if your Android phone have this button, because not all Android phones have it. After that, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. So at the back side we have this touch areas, and you need to press and hold until the LED lights start blinking blue and red. Here we go, and we just entered to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. And here we go, tap on them and then click pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.